Hello, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 3 subject maths, chapter number 1, numbers. Ordering numbers. First, let us know the meaning of ordering numbers. Arranging the given numbers from the smallest to the greatest or from the greatest to the smallest is called ordering numbers. Or in simple terms, arranging the given numbers in increasing order or in decreasing order is called ordering numbers. When there are more than two numbers, we can find out which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. We can also arrange the numbers in order from the smallest to the greatest, which is called as ascending order, or from the greatest to the smallest, and which is called as descending order. So arranging the given numbers either in ascending order or in descending order is generally called as ordering numbers. The following table gives the names of some of the rivers of the world and also their lengths in kilometers. Here a table is given in which names of some rivers of the world and their lengths in kilometers are given, which is used in the examples to understand ordering of numbers. Let us see the names of these rivers and their lengths. Nile River, its length is 6,695 kilometers. Length of Ganga River is 2,525 kilometers. Length of Amazon River is 6,516 kilometers. Length of Narmada River is 1,312 kilometers. Length of Olga River is 3,530 kilometers. Length of Niger River is 4,200 kilometers. Length of Mekong River is 4,425 kilometers. And length of Godavari River is 1,465 kilometers. So this table is used in discussing the ordering of numbers in the examples. Before taking the examples on ordering numbers, just have a look over this picture, which is a photograph of a river, so which will make us to get an idea about how long the rivers. You can see the lengths of the river. It's a part of the river which has been captured in this photograph. So some rivers in different parts of the world are very long. In this map we can see the Nile River, which is the longest river in the world, is shown in this picture. Now let us take the examples to understand the method of arranging numbers in decreasing or increasing order. Example number 1. Which of the rivers is the longest? So there are some rivers and the lengths are given in this table, and we have to find which among these rivers is the longest river. So as we notice here that lengths of all the rivers are 4-digit numbers. The lengths of all the rivers are in 4-digit numbers. So that means we are learning the way of comparing 4-digit numbers and arranging them in ascending or in descending order. Here we see that the greatest digit in the thousands place is 6. That is in the lengths of Nile River and Amazon River. So here some rivers are given in this table, which are Nile River. So length of Nile River is given here, that is 6,695 kilometers, and the length of Amazon River is given in the table here. Length of Amazon River is 6,516 kilometers. So these numbers are having the greatest digit in thousands place, that is 6, and all other numbers are having the digits in thousands place which are less than 6. So the longest river must be one of these two rivers. It must be either Nile River or Amazon River, because we have the greatest digits in the thousands place in these two rivers. So now to compare these two numbers, what we do is we will write down these numbers in a table as we did in the previous session. To compare 4-digit numbers, we used this method of writing down the numbers in this table and also their place names. And after writing the given numbers in this table, we will compare the digits at the highest place, that is in thousands place first, and we know that both the digits in thousands place are same, so we compare the digits in hundreds place. So when we look at the digits in hundreds place of these two numbers 6 and 5, 6 is greater than 5. So therefore, comparing the above numbers, we get 6,695 is greater than 6,516. So since 6 is greater, the first number here is 6,695 is greater than the other number, that is 6,516. So the Nile is the longest river. So this is the length of Nile River. Nile River, whose length is equal to 6,695 kilometers. Therefore, among all the rivers given in the table, Nile is the longest river. Example number 2. Which of the rivers is the shortest? So now in this example, we are going to find which among the given rivers in the table is the shortest. So as we did in the previous example, now what we do is we will find the smallest digit in the thousands place. So among these digits in thousands place, we notice that the length of Narmada river, that is 1312, and the length of Godavari river, that is 1465. So these two are having smallest digits in the thousands place. So we need to compare these two to know which among these two is smallest. So the length of Narmada river is 1312 kilometers and the length of Godavari river is 1465 kilometers. To know which among these two is smallest, we will write down these two numbers in the table of place values and we compare these two numbers here in this table, which is convenient for comparison. And when we look at the digits at thousands place, both are same. There is no use of these two, comparison of these two, and we will come to the digits in hundreds place and we will compare these two digits. When we look at these two and compare 3 and 4, 3 is smaller or less than 4, therefore this number, that is 1312, is less than 1465. So therefore, comparing the above numbers, we get 1312 is less than 1465. Our conclusion now is Narmada is the shortest river. So among the rivers given in the table, Narmada is the shortest river. Example number 3. Arrange the lengths of the first 5 rivers in the table in ascending order. So this is the given table. In this we need to consider only first 5 rivers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to arrange the lengths of these 5 rivers in ascending order. So what we do for that is, let us compare and arrange the lengths of first 5 rivers in the table from the smallest to the greatest. So to do this, let us retain only the first 5 rivers and the lengths. Let us remove the other part of the table which is not required for us to solve this problem. So these are the first 5 rivers in the table and their lengths. So now let us look at these. To arrange these lengths from smallest to the greatest, we need to find the smallest length first. So smallest number among these is, when we look at the digits at thousands place, we see here that 1 is the smallest. So this number, that is 1312, is the smallest number among these 5 numbers. So this will come in first place when we write the ascending order of these numbers. So let me write first here to remember which will come first in ascending order. This is the first number in the ascending order, and after that we will find the next smallest number. So next smallest number is the number containing 2 in thousands place, that is 2525. This will be the second number in the ascending order, and the third number in ascending order is 3530, because this is the next smallest number in the given numbers. And when we look at the other remaining numbers, these two, we have 6 in both numbers, and when we compare these two numbers, we cannot find which among these two is smallest only by looking at the digits in thousands place. So we need to look at the digits in hundreds place. So when we look at digits in hundreds place, we find that here we have 5 and here we have 6. So therefore 6516 is smallest compared to 6695. So this will come in the fourth position when we arrange the numbers in ascending order, and this will be the fifth and last number in ascending order. So after writing down which number comes first, second, third, fourth and fifth, so now let us write down these numbers one beside the other in the same order. That is, first number is 1312, second is 2525, and in third place we will have 3530, in fourth place 6516, and in fifth and last place 6695. So after writing these numbers in this order, to represent this is the ascending order, we will write down the less than symbol between these numbers. This now represents the ascending order. This gives the lengths of first 5 rivers in ascending order. So this is how we have to compare and arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Once the numbers are arranged in ascending order, we can easily arrange them in descending order also. Let us see how it can be done easily. From example number 3, the length of first 5 rivers in ascending order is, this is what we found now in example 3. So to obtain the decreasing order, reverse the order of numbers in ascending order. So if we reverse this order, that is ascending order, we will get the descending order. Reversing the order means the first number here, the number which is in first position will go to the last place, and the number in last place will come to the first place, and the number in second place will go to the second place from last or from right, and this number will come to the second position. And since this is the middlemost number, it will stay here itself. So by swapping these numbers like this, we can reverse the ascending order of these numbers. Let us do that now. So we have removed the less than symbol, and now let us swap the numbers. That is, the first number will go to the last position, last number will come to the first position. We have swapped these two numbers. Now let us send the second number to the second place from right, and this number to the second position from left. Let us swap these two numbers now. So we have swapped these two numbers. Now we have got the reverse order of this order. Now you can see here. So the first number here is, it is last here in the ascending order. The second number from right is in second position from left here. The middle number is here itself, and this number is here, and the first number is in the last place. So now we have reversed the ascending order of these numbers. After reversing, the symbol we have to use in between these numbers is greater than symbol. So if we write the greater than symbol between these numbers, now the decreasing order of the lengths of rivers is ready. The lengths of first 5 rivers in decreasing order is given by this. So this is how we can write the descending order of any numbers once we get the ascending order, and vice versa. That means if we find the descending order of given numbers, by reversing the order we can get the ascending order also. Remember this is a shortcut to obtain descending order when ascending order is known. Now let us move to example number 4. Arrange the lengths of the rivers Ganga, Godavari, Mekong, Niger and Volga in descending order. So here some rivers. How many? 5 rivers are given in this question. We have to arrange these lengths of these rivers in descending order. Let us do that now. So this is the given table. So from this we need to retain only these 5 rivers, that is Ganga, Godavari, Mekong, Niger and Volga. And let us remove the data not required to solve this question. That means whichever river and length is not required for this question, let us remove those first. So let us retain only the rivers and the lengths which are required to solve this question. That is Ganga is here, Godavari is here, Mekong is here, Niger is here, Volga is here. So we have retained only the rivers which are required to solve this question. Now compare and arrange the lengths of rivers from the greatest to the smallest. So from these lengths, let us arrange from greatest to the smallest. So here the greatest number among these is 4425. Since we have the highest digit in thousands place is 4, and we have 4 in both of these numbers, and when we compare digits in hundreds place of these two numbers, here 4 is greater than 2. Therefore the river Mekong is the longest river among these 5 rivers. So this number will come first in descending order. The next number or number in second place in descending order is 4200 kilometers, and the third number in descending order will be 3530, because this is the next greatest number after these two. So this will come in third position. So after this, the number which is less than this is here 2525. This will come in fourth place in descending order, and the last remaining number will be in fifth position. Now let us write down these numbers in descending order. The descending order of lengths of rivers is given by the highest number is here in first place, it is 4425, and second is 4200, it is written here. Third is 3530 written here, and fourth is 2525 written here, and last is 1465 written here. So this is how we can obtain the descending order of the lengths of given rivers in this question. So once we get the descending order of lengths of the rivers from example number 4, to obtain ascending order, reverse the order of numbers in descending order. So if we reverse this order, we will get the ascending order. That is, writing the last number here in the first place, the second from last in the second place here, and this number written here itself. This comes to this place, and first number goes to the last. So if we reverse this order, you will get the ascending order of the numbers. So this is how we can write the ascending order of given numbers when descending order is known. This is a shortcut to obtain ascending order, and remember this to write the ascending order when descending order is known. I hope you enjoyed learning new things through this video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.